Hello you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today we're going to be making vegan chicken and broccoli. If you're interested, keep on watching. The first thing that we're going to do is I have my vegan substitute meat. You could use whatever vegan substitute you prefer. Tofu, I have Seitan here. I think that's how you pronounce it. Seitan, I don't know. I have Seitan, and you could use whatever you like. You could even use mushrooms if you want. This is about a cup. I'm just going to pat it dry. I have 2 small heads of broccoli. You could use 1 big head of broccoli if you want. This is just what I had at my house. So let me get a bigger knife. So you don't want to cut all of this out. This stuff has a lot of fiber on it. So don't cut that out. Just And like we said before, fiber is very good for you. So why is broccoli good for you? Does anyone know? Broccoli actually has a lot of vitamin C, vitamin K, iron. It's also high in potassium, protein, and also what's it called? Folate. A really healthy vegetable because it's one of the only vegetables that has a lot of protein in it. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this in a separate plate. I only used about 1.5 heads of broccoli, the small broccoli, but if you have a whole broccoli, go ahead and use just about half of it. So I just turned my stove on and I'm going to add some oil to this. I have extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna add the garlic to this. And this is not all of the garlic, but I'm gonna add some onions so the garlic does not burn on me. I'm just gonna take this out. This is almost done, but I'm gonna take this out. I took out the onions and the garlic. That was slightly sauteed. I'm gonna add some more oil. And I'm going to add my Seitan in here. I'm gonna add the onion and garlic mixture back to this. And now I'm gonna add the broccoli. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some cornstarch. I'm gonna make a slurry out of this. Make sure you have organic cornstarch because cornstarch is normally modified. They usually, it's usually made from modified corn. I have some coconut aminos. This is a great substitute for soy sauce. It may take about, I don't know, 3/4 of a cup of that, and I'm going to add it to my slurry. So that's what it looks like, and now I'm just gonna add this. I'm gonna add about half a cup of water. Okay, I think it needs a little more coconut aminos. I have some crushed red peppers. Just gonna eyeball that. Some black pepper, as much as you like. Garlic. Almost out of that. And I'm going to add some salt also, of course. The coconut aminos already has a lot of salt, and so does the seitan, but that's okay. I'm just gonna add a little more, and I'm going to let the broccoli, I'm gonna let it steam a little bit so it cooks. I think I'm gonna add some more broccoli to this actually. It doesn't seem like a lot. So I'm just gonna add the whole thing of broccoli. I'm gonna let this steam. I'm gonna add some more water because just as you go. If it looks a little dry, then add some water. Alright. That tastes really good. I think it needs some more salt actually. And this recipe literally has no soy sauce, which means that it does not have any MSG or anything. Alright guys, so what I just did is I covered the chicken and broccoli, and I turned the heat to medium high, and I think that's about like 4 on depending on what kind of stove you use. And I'm just going to keep an eye on it every now and then for about maybe like 5 or 7 minutes. Want to see it get like a bright green. That means that it's par cooked. So that basically means that it's cooked but only halfway. So it's been about like 7 minutes. I'm going to turn the heat up all the way because I don't want a lot of liquid in this. I'm just gonna keep stirring it because when you turn the heat up high, it can burn very quickly. But the broccoli looks done. Let me just try another piece. Here, let me try to stem. That's when you know. Yeah, broccoli's definitely done. And I'm just gonna serve this with the rice. That is almost done. There we go.